my list dot count of my list. Something. List dot count. Why it is not working? Count of wait. Sorry. Here Ravi, Kamala, or I have to give Ramana. Suppose my list is having see counter is 2. That means it will count. This will count the number of element. So Ramana is an element which is occurring 2 times. So I will give one more time. Ramana. Now Ramana is occurring 3 times. Thanks. So like that you can give. So what I can do? My list dot append. Okay, I'll give one more Ramana. No print my list. So how many Ramanas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count. Like this. Gonna count. Good. This is one thing. Now this is slicing and all we are counting here. Index. These are the possible values. So I want to so let's my list dot index of Ramana. Okay, I'll give coffee. I1 D newbie. So index. So coffee.
Yeah, Ramana.
Yeah. So here I'm trying to get the element whose index is 1. That is coffee is there, right? Coffee is in a position 0, 1. So I want to know what is the position where coffee is stored. So it is 1. Let's say I'll give test, then coffee. Now what happens? 0, 1, 2. So coffee is in second position. So I want to understand what is the position of here. So my index, my list dot index of coffee. Now it will give what? It will give a value of 2. Okay, this one. Yeah, it is in third position, the position. Okay, correct. Third position. So 0, 1, 2. But the index wise, it will give 3. Okay, so if I give coffee, now I'll say index 2 is equal to my list of index of Ramana. It will give me the first occurrence of IND2. So Ramana is in fourth location. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. That means it is actually in our way it is counting 1, 2, 3, 4.
4, yeah.
So like that. Index always gives the position plus 1. So that is how it is. Index. Okay. Index
So how come that? No, it
Actually,
counted
it could get
4.
0. Let me see why it is getting. 1 second. Let me see once again. List I am. Yes. See, color list should give what I was expecting. Color
Hold
list
on.
is red. Red. Blue. Okay, now. Hmm. Okay. So color list of 0 is red. Red. So now if I say color list dot index of red, I should get 0. Perfect. So here something gone wrong. So yeah, on the top it is taking, and then we modified the list now. So we can use this way also. So before modifying, you get the index. Okay, this is before modifying, you get the index. 0, 1, 2 now. So I will say C2 equal to green. Green. Index of what is green? I'm getting the index of green, printing it. So it should be 2. What happened? Index sorry, I should use this one. Okay. I should use this one. Yeah, correct. So this is how you get the index. Is there anywhere where I can reverse the elements? So I'll check in. Simple. Whatever red, blue, green is there, na? Green, blue, red. Okay. I'm just saying reverse, right? Reverse. I want to print the yeah. I just say x is equal to, and then the print x. No, not like this. Print color list. Yeah, I reversed it. I'm happy. So
Hi,
okay.
Ramana. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we try? Why can't we try like from minus 1 to 3 like that?
Yeah, I'll
One to
try. Just a second. Huh? Color list dot reverse. Yeah, I want to print the reversed color list. How do I get green, blue, red is expected. Cool. Green, blue, red. Okay, I will try the reverse one. -1, right? So let's color list. Color list equal to blue, green. Okay. Oh, what I will get? Color. No, we can say for I in okay color list. What I will do? Oh wait, range. Na? I can say range of 0, 1, 2. से लेके 0 तक -1. Now print I. So give me red, green, blue, and red like this. So I should have more values than yellow. Yeah, range. So 2 comma 1, print I, and I will say print yeah, I can even do it this way, for j in color list